Hello guys, I'm here with the vlogging session on Cyborgswap. This is the second day. So basically I have invested $208 and now I have 336. So basically my investment has increased massively, 136, because of the coin has increased, or the liquidity has increased in price. This means the both of the coins has increased in price. And here this is my passive income, $16.72. The thing is that the APR has dropped massively in price from 1042. It's right now 754. So basically it was 2 or 3 days ago it was the highest here, and now it's the lowest. So because of the adoption, 3 days ago it was here like 4,000 or $300,000 in this liquidity, but now it's almost $1 million. So it will be huge. You still have time, yes, and it's amazing to make passive income on these times. So basically you can do it. These are my results. You can stake here as well NFTs on this rubric, NFT staking, and but the NFTs are not cheap like on the other platforms. You need to pay like a minimum $1,000 for one to be staked, and you will receive like between $60 and $80 per week. So basically you'll make nice passive income as well on NFTs, because you will stake them here and you will receive weekly or monthly this type of cash, and you can sell them, because of course you can sell the NFT at higher price and you will keep the money of it. It's amazing. It depends on you what you want to do. I think this was for today, guys. I wish you a good day, and we'll keep in touch. And yes, very nice results.